Morning students, how are you? Welcome to Maths class 5 chapter 5 fractions, multiplication and division, part 7, division of a fraction by a whole number. Today we will learn to divide a fraction by a whole number. So students, see, division of a fraction by whole number. To divide a fraction by a whole number, step 1, change the sign of division to multiplication, as you know students in previous video. And number 2, multiply the given fraction by the reciprocal of the whole number. As it is students, only difference is here whole number. So you have to write the reciprocal of whole number. For example, divide 4 by 7 by 5. So 4 by 7 divided by 5 equal to 4 by 7 divided by 5 by 1, because 5 can be written as 5 by 1. So first write as it is. Now 4 by 7 divide sign changes into multiply sign, and 5 by 1 is changes to 1 by 5, means reciprocal of 5 by 1 is 1 by 5. So 4 by 7 into 1 by 5 equal to 4 1 ja 4 divided by 7 5 ja 35. Thus 4 by 35 is the answer. Now rules for division of a fraction by another fraction, students. It is also same. To divide a fraction by another fraction, step 1, change the sign of division to multiplication, and number 2, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. It is same students, whether it is fraction into fraction or fraction divided by fraction, or fraction divided by whole number, or whole number divided by fraction. Method is same. You have to convert the division sign into multiplication sign and reciprocal of second number. Always take reciprocal of second number. See example 17, divide 3 by 8 by 9 by 4. Solution: 3 by 8 divided by 9 by 4 equal to 3 by 8 multiply by 4 by 9, because reciprocal of 9 by 4 is 4 by 9, equal to 3 into 4 divided by 8 into 9. Now it is converted into multiplication sum. 3 by 8 into 4 by 9, so do as multiplication to 3 into 4 divided by 8 into 9. Now cancel the common factors. 3 and 9 have common factors 3, so divide them by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, and 4 1 ja 4, and 4 2 ja 8. So answer is 1 into 1 by 2 into 3 equal to 1 by 6. You can see next example, 3 whole 2 by 9 by 14 by 27. So first you have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 into 9 plus 2 by 9 divided by 14 by 27 equal to 27 plus 2 by 9 divided by 14 by 27. Now 29 by 9 divided by 14 by 27 equal to 29 by 9. फर्स्ट नंबर को हम एज इट इज रखते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, एंड डिवीजन चेंजेस टू multiplication, and reciprocal of 14 by 27 is 27 by 14. Now this is multiplication sum. Now you can multiply 29 into 27 by 9 into 14. See, cancel the common factors. 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27 equal to 29 into 3 by 1 into 14 equal to 87 by 14. It is in improper fraction, so you can convert it into mixed fraction. 14 6 ja 84, 6 whole 3 remainder 3 by 14. 6 whole 3 by 14 is the answer. Now see some questions from your exercise 5.3. Question number 2, find the solution. 6 by 7 divided by 3. Solution: 6 by 7 divided by 3 equal to 6 by 7 divided by 3 by 1. 3 can be written as 3 by 1 equal to 6 by 7 division sign changes to multiplication sign, and reciprocal of 3 by 1 is 1 by 3. You will take reciprocal when you change the sign, division sign to multiplication sign, then only you take the reciprocal. So 6 by 7 into 1 by 3 equal to 6 into 1 by 7 into 3, and cancel the common factors of 6 and 3. 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6. 3 is the common factor. So the answer is 2 into 1 by 7 into 1 equal to 2 by 7. See one more question, number G. 5 by 11 divided by 2 equal to 5 by 11 divided by 2 by 1 equal to 5 by 11 multiply by 1 by 2. Division sign changes to multiplication sign, and 2 by 1 changes to 1 by 2, means reciprocal, equal to 5 into 1 divided by 11 into 2 equal to 5 divided by 22. This is the answer. Now see division of a fraction by another fraction. Question number 3. Divide the following fractions. Number A, 2 by 7 divided by 18 by 21. Solution: 2 by 7 divided by 18 by 21 equal to, you will write 2 by 7 as it is and change division sign into multiplication sign. This is division sign, students, so put multiplication sign, and this is 8 by 21, and reciprocal of 8 by 21 is 21 by 8. Now cancel the common factor. See, 2 and 8 have common factors 2, so divide them. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8, and 7 and 21 have a common factor 7. 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21 equal to answer 1 into 3 by 1 into 4 equal to 3 by 4. It is proper fraction, so this is the answer. No need to convert. Next question, 3 whole 1 by 8 divided by 20 by 18. This is mixed fraction, students, so first convert them into improper fraction. You can directly convert by reading the table. 3 8 ja 24 or plus 1 25, so write 25 divided by 8 and division sign 20 by 18. So first we converted mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now convert the division sign into multiplication sign. So write 25 by 8 as it is, multiply, division का opposite multiplication, and reciprocal of 20 by 18 is 18 by 20. Now cancel the common factors. See if any common factors are there. See, 20 and 18 is divisible by 2 both, so divide it. 2 9 ja 18 and 2 10 ja 20. Now 8 and 25 are not divisible. See, 25 and 10 have common factors 5, so divide them by 5. 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10. Now numerators are 5 into 9 and denominators are 8 into 2. No common factors in numerators and denominators, so write 5 into 9 by 8 into 2 equal to 5 9 ja 45 by 16. But this is in improper fraction, students. You can convert it into mixed fraction. 16 2 ja 32, 16 3 ja 48 is greater, so 16 2 ja 32 and remainder is 13. The 2 whole 13 by 16 is the answer. Now see one more question. 4 whole 5 by 9 divided by 2 whole 4 by 27. Both are mixed fractions. Convert them into improper fraction. 4 9 ja 36 plus 5, 41 by 9 divided by 2 7 ja 2 20, 27 2 ja 54, 54 plus 4 58 by 27. Now 41 by 9 write as it is, divide, changes into multiply, and 58 by 27 का reciprocal 27 by 58. Now cancel the common factors. See, 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, both are divisible by 9, and 41 is a prime number, 58 is not divisible by 3, so there is no common factors. Now answer is 41 into 3 by 58. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई 41 इंटू 3 हो जाएगा 123. 3 बन जा 3, 3 4 जा 12 बाई 58. You can convert it into mixed fraction also. 58 2 जा 116. 2 times remainder is 7. So 2 whole 7 by 58 is the answer. Now you can look at some fill in the blanks using the properties. 5 by 7 divided by 5 by 7 equal to 1. Property students, any fraction divided by itself is 1. 8 by 11 divided by 1. So any fraction divided by 1 is the fraction itself as it is in whole number. Any number divided by 1 is the number itself. So any fraction divided by 1 is also the fraction itself. So you can do like this. This much for today students. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.